We are walking through open Eucalyptus Forest today on a sandstone ridge. The circumstances are what you could call an Indian summer, as the temperatures at the start of autumn are still quite high. This little red-browed finch is performing a mating ritual, so it clearly also feels it's still warm enough to start another brood. He picked out the best piece of grass with some delicious seeds on it to try and impress the female. Here she comes, and it looks like she's up for it. How amazing to be able to witness that up so closely. These birds are generally quite shy of people and quick to fly off into the undergrowth when you come near. If you'd like to learn more about them, check out my blog this week. I'll put a link in the description. There are lots of birds around in this beautiful vegetation, but they are quick, so keep your eyes open. There's a grey fantail. And here is a shining bronze cuckoo. And look at this kookaburra having breakfast. What has it got there? It looks like a spider. Oh yes, definitely. It's a large huntsman. It's not easy to swallow whole with all those legs. My goodness. But eventually he gets it in the right position and down it goes. Ha! That wouldn't be my favorite brekkie. It was certainly fascinating to watch. And check out my blog for more info on the Huntsman Spider. You can find a link in the description. Up high in the trees here, there is also a lot of bird activity. There is a couple of these beautiful rainbow bee-eaters, very colorful birds. When the weather cools down, they will move to warmer areas in the north. There's another colorful little bird up there. This is the Striated Pardalote. They are quite common, but it's difficult to get a good look at them, as they like to feed really high up in the canopies of these eucalyptus trees. So I'm pretty excited to catch one on camera for you. Let's walk a bit further and see what else we can find. These grass palms are very interesting trees. Did you know they grow only 1 centimeter per year? That means that these short trees are easily 100 years old. And there are some trees here that are a lot taller too. Look over there. I can't figure out what type of bird this is, but it sure is enjoying a nice caterpillar. And here is another shining bronze cuckoo. Beautiful with that halo of light around it. But it would also be nice to show you the iridescent green feathers on its back. And there's another one showing you just that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a pretty bird, but the green color and the barred underparts give it good camouflage, so it's pretty tricky to spot. At the top of the ridge we have a nice lookout over some sandstone boulders. A great place to finish our walk, which was filled with amazing bird encounters. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know your favorite sighting in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.